Create a dedicated drop zone meal pickup station next to the garage so families can quickly unload and stage takeout or meal deliveries without tracking mess through the house. Design the station as a dedicated counter at waist height that runs parallel to the garage entry and includes task lighting with a focused beam for evening drop-offs. Install an insulated warmer drawer sized to hold multiple takeout containers to keep hot food at serving temperature, and a refrigerated drawer that blends with cabinetry for cold items or salads. Choose units with adjustable temperature settings and easy-to-clean stainless interiors. Use durable, non-porous surfaces like quartz or stainless steel for the counter and a removable tray or liner that can be wiped or washed. Slight slope toward a hidden channel or removable drip tray prevents spills from reaching the floor. Add sturdy hooks set at variable heights for reusable bags, delivery backpacks, and coat storage, and include a shallow shelf or cubby for insulated bags and condiments so everything is organized and visible at a glance. Plan electrical outlets and a grounded plug for the warming drawer, and optional plug-in for a small countertop charger, and route lighting and outlets so cords are hidden and safe from spills. Finally, place a small trash and compost station under the counter with a foot pedal lid and easy access liners to minimize sorting steps during busy drop-offs. The three most common problems are cluttered counters that defeat the purpose, inconsistent temperatures that spoil food, and hard-to-clean finishes that become breeding grounds for bacteria. If counters get cluttered, enforce a one-touch rule where each delivery is unloaded, staged, and then either taken into the kitchen or placed in its assigned drawer within 2 minutes to keep the surface clear. For temperature issues, choose certified warming and refrigeration drawers with built-in thermostats, and verify temperatures with an inexpensive instant read thermometer until you trust the settings. For cleaning problems, specify materials and components that are removable and dishwasher safe, and schedule a quick wipe-down routine after each busy evening. Set a visible checklist by the station to make the routine habit. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like a drop zone meal pickup station so we can find local professionals who have done similar builds and share real-world photos and notes. We also host a discussion community where we exchange tips, ask questions, and post project progress so our members can learn from each other and find work or hire help that matches their scope.